Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Shangri-La Beijing Hotel. The Shangri-La Beijing Hotel is a hotel that's slightly outside of the centre of Beijing. The lobby is actually very attractive. It's a nice place to sit and lounge, have a drink, and look at that fantastic chandelier. The room's very comfortable. We actually upgraded to the premier room, so it's a little bit more space. Supposed to be a little bit more comfortable. Bed was quite comfortable. Got quite a nice view out of the window. There isn't a lot in the vicinity. There's nowhere to walk and get anything to drink or anything like that. The bathroom was really nice. It's the first bathroom I've ever seen that has a TV in the mirror, so you could watch TV in the bath, I suppose. It was really nice and comfortable, very nice shower, very powerful, nice bathroom. Free bottled water, which was quite nice. Got a little bit of a walk-in wardrobe here, so you've got a safe, some drawers. It's good space to put your suitcase. We've got an iron, a few hangers, not that much really. There's actually a little mini bar here as well, a desk, and just a general seating area, very comfortable. Go to the gym. This was quite a nice gym actually. It's probably one of the better ones that we've seen in some of these hotels. Got some nice stuff, got some really good machines. Quite large. There was not many people when we were there. There's also a swimming pool here. We didn't get any video because there were people in there, so we actually didn't want to record in there. There's actually also a little breakout gym room. It's like a separate area where you've got these free weights and other bits and pieces. That was quite nice. This was the changing area, the women's changing area. Very nice and comfortable. They had these heated slippers in this little, it was like a fridge, but it was actually something that was heated, and quite a nice touch. Got the locker area there, you've got the showers here. You've got a little machine here that I suppose wrings your swimming costume dry. Sauna and a steam room. And this really nice jacuzzi, which we never got a chance to go in, but yeah, it looked good. Breakfast time, best time of the day. Loads of different things to eat, both Western and Chinese. So you've got dim sum and rice, noodles for breakfast, some of the Chinese eat. For Westerners like me, there were pancakes, there were waffles, eggs, bacon. There were beans, they're probably proper Heinz beans, mind you, but they were cold, they don't warm them up. Chicken nuggets, there were some very pale looking sausages here, but they didn't taste too bad actually. You got plenty of fruit, if you like that sort of thing, with yogurt. I'm not too sure what was in there. This was the restaurant or the eating area on the executive lounge. You could have breakfast there, but you could also have like dinner and happy hour about 7 o'clock, and they didn't have a huge selection, but what they did have was actually really nice, so it might be worth extra. This is Cloud 9. This is just a bar. It was empty when we were there. We didn't see anybody sitting in there. I mean, it looked really nice. This was the outside area. It's really nice in the day. Unfortunately, we didn't get any video of it in the day, and it was raining that day, so it doesn't look that great, but it actually was quite a nice garden. So what are your thoughts? Have you stayed at the Shangri-La Beijing Hotel? Is it on your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. And be sure to hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.